Welcome back to Candy's Art World. I'm Candy, and today we are going to be painting in watercolor. It's going to be a fall country road. I taped the paper down to a board to keep it from getting wrinkly. Though this paper is really thick, it doesn't really get too wrinkly or warped from the water. It's meant for water. But you never know, so it's better safe than sorry. I wanted to have the border nice and straight. And then I drew in the horizon line and a little hill off to the right, and just penciled in where I want the road to go. So I like to have a spray bottle, like a water bottle, because I like to mist my watercolors with that. I'm doing wet on wet technique for the sky. You don't really see much of the sky after all the trees are in, but it's much better to go ahead and lay the sky in before you start putting in trees, so that way you're not trying to paint between the leaves. And so I placed the color more towards the horizon and used just a practically clean brush full of water, and drug the pigment up. Apparently my camera likes to try to autofocus on my hand instead of the piece of art. I apologize for the blurry. So most of the colors I'm using are yellows and oranges and reds. A little bit brown mixed in. I went directional when I was painting the hill to try to help give it depth. At this point, I'm just blocking in color. I used grays for the road. This is the second time I've done this piece. I did this piece with a set of the little kids' school watercolors, and I really liked how it turned out, so I figured I could do it again for a video. If you're new to watercolor, this might be a good one to start with. And here I'm dabbing leaves, so that way some of the sky shows through. It helps give a little bit more dimension. I used a couple different shades of red and orange. I only really ever washed my brush out was when I was going lighter, and I wanted I wanted a lighter color. I would wash it out then, but if I was going back and forth, I wouldn't wash it very much, so that way the colors would kind of blend a little bit and seem like they're all in the same family. And the leaves on the ground also just dabs. My favorite part is the leaves in the road. I could see somebody driving through and the leaves all blowing away. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great day.